Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we are continuing our journey in the AI tools in a Canva. So this is the part 3 of the must try AI tools in Canva. And this episode we will see the image animate, where you can create a short animation from an image, which is a pretty cool feature. Not perfect as you can see, but partially we can use it. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I'm just closing it. I'm just moving this picture one below, add the new page. So I go into the apps and searching for image. Name animate, image animate. Yes, if I made a typo, of course I cannot find the proper application. So this one, image animate. Go back. So first we can, okay, this is how the page opening. So we have to select the picture from the design, and we can describe what we would like to see, or we're just asking the system to do the job for us. And also we can also change between all motion to parallax. And the parallax we can change the camera path, so like to circular or step down, step up. So that's also a pretty cool feature. I will show you this also, but first I choosing the all AI tool auto. We can also choose between different styles. We can change the settings, the length, number of loops, motion range, and then here we can see I already used 20 tokens from the 440, so that's pretty awesome amount of tokens to play with this tool. And now just click on the generate button, and the system will generate the animation for us. This takes few minutes, so I just pause the recording. So here it's already generated. I just select the empty page, click on empty design, add to design, and I already have it on the page. I can see it's still loading it. When it's finished, we will see the text on the top. Here, Imagination has successfully uploaded the media to your library. So this, all of these things will be on the library also. And now I can see this one is much better. What was the first generation? That was, I think that's more real, looks more real. So someone just letting some sand from the top to the hand. That looks amazing. Here that was I think, and apart from the sand moving up, that's pretty unrealistic. But this one is more reliable. That looks very nice. I think this one is pretty reliable. So go back. I just would like to try this parallax, what I never tried it before, and just use this circular and click on generate. And again, I stopping the recording. So it's generated. I just click on the empty page, add to design. As you can see here, still uploading. And again, I will see the message successfully uploaded to media. So I will find it also in my library. What I did. I don't know what I did. That's strange. Which page is it? So I just need an empty page. Add to design. Looks like was some frame was involved somehow. I don't know what that I did. So replace background. This is I would like to do. And let's see what this, yeah. That's really pretty what I asked for during this parallax circular video, which is pretty awesome. We can do this parallax manually, but here we can choose different directions with different paths, and that's, I think that looks pretty nice. Even the job was also amazing, and the funny thing, I still use 20 tokens. I don't remember how much was before. Maybe it was not 380. Okay. Now okay. Sorry, I was confused. So one generation is 20 credits, and I still have 380. Okay, now I'm understood what I see. Okay, but still, they still have. If one generation is the 20 tokens, I still have a lot. And this tool is I think pretty awesome. From this all animation is maybe not the best, but you can play with different models like the Luma, Runway, King, Hyper, Leonardo Motion, Stable Video. So that's maybe the auto is not the best due to the Canva choosing, or is the image animation choosing what the AI thinks this is the best for the video, but maybe this is not really the best. But this parallax, I'm pretty amazed how perfectly made it. That's, for me, it's for parallax video, that's amazing how this tool doing the video. So this video is also going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you enjoyed it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section. Once this is also helping me to growing the channel. Plus also, if you're struggling on something on Canva or AI, you can ask me and I try to answer as soon as possible. And also visit my Facebook group. The link is in the description, where you can find lots of Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. And also you can find lots of AI text-to-image generation prompts. If you are interested, feel free to check it. And once again, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Ciao.